Hi, I'm Chef Sherry Ronning, and I'm here to show you how to make a grilled Fluffernutter sandwich on the Blackstone Griddle. A grilled Fluffernutter sandwich is one of my kids' favorite sandwiches growing up. They loved this sandwich. I used to make it for them every so often, and one thing, I don't know if you know what a Fluffernutter sandwich is, but it is toasted white bread with peanut butter and marshmallow fluff. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make it. It only takes just a few short minutes to make this and your kids are gonna love it. Okay, let's get started. We have the 2 slices of nice white bread. We're going to just butter the outside of the bread. Nice. You want a nice coating. You don't want too much and you don't want too little on this. So about a tablespoon of softened butter for each side. And you want to cover the whole side from edge to edge, from one side to another. So very easy. I have the buttered sides on the inside and I have dry bread on the outsides. So then we're going to build the sandwich. We are going to take and put a layer of peanut butter. You can use your favorite peanut butter. If you want to use almond butter, any kind of butter will work for this of your choice. My preference is the Jif. I just like the creamy. You don't really want to use the crunchy on this, but you need to have a good layer. You don't want too much, but you don't want too little on this either. So, and now this is going to be the tricky part because this is where so we have the butter bread on this side. Your hands are going to get a little bit gooped up on this one. So we're going to take the Fluffernutter and we're going to put on the other side. So this is kind of sticky. So sometimes it's hard to mess with if you have old, a jar lying around. It might be a little bit fussy with you, but you just want a good coating. And it may be kind of sticky all over the place, so just be gentle with it. If your bread is ripping, then you need to use a little bit more of the Fluffernutter on it. The marshmallow, I should say. You need to use more of the marshmallow cream on it, the marshmallow fluff. So we're gonna get a good layer here. As you see, it's nice and coated there. So we have peanut butter on one side, Fluffernutter in the buttered side on both sides. So we have the griddle preheated, 400 degrees. We're gonna put it on the hot griddle. You hear it sizzling, you wanna make sure that it's hot. So then we're gonna put peanut butter against the Fluffernutter, or the peanut butter against the marshmallow cream. Like that. So you want butter on each side, and then we're just going to let this toast. I'm going to give it just a minute or two, and we'll come back and I'll flip it and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, it's been about a minute and a half. I'm going to flip it. We're going to make sure to use the plastic spatula on the porcelain electric griddle. You do not want to use a metal one on this one. So we're going to check to see how it looks. Carefully flip it over. Ooh, look how golden brown that looks. Looks amazing. The insides are kind of getting ooey and gooey on the inside, which is what you want. Let the other side cook just a minute. You want to make sure that you give it time to cook and get nice and golden brown. If you pull it off before it's not not done, it's going to be soggy, and then you're not going to like it. If you wait and cook it too much, then it's going to burn on the outside. And so you want to just give it time and let it cook. So it's not going to take too long. I can see the inside is all nice and gooey on the inside there. So that needs just a little bit longer. And you could serve this Fluffernutter sandwich is good to serve with some sliced fruit, some sliced apples. You could serve it with some warm soup. Tomato soup is a good, nice warm soup to serve it. Also, just some, if you want to just keep it simple, just some potato chips, or just serve it just the sandwich by itself. This will only take just a couple minutes to make, so you can make this for a whole crowd. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, this is perfect. Look how perfect that is. Nice. It's starting to ooze out a little bit on the sides there. Perfect. I'm gonna cut it, give it a nice little cut. Give it a nice little cut there. Ooh, look at this. Look at it just oozing out there. This is a perfect sandwich. Nice griddle golden brown, both sides, oozing out nice and warm. Let's give it a try. Oh, you want to make sure that you don't lose it. So delicious. So good. You're definitely going to need some napkins because it tastes amazing. Nice and warm. If you like this recipe, go to my website, FromMichiganToTheTable.com. Subscribe to this video, share it with your friends. Check out my website for other recipes. I have Blackstone Griddle recipes, smoker recipes, Midwestern cuisine recipes. So go give it a try. I'll see you later. Bye.